Okay, so it's a little bit late and I'm out here making a video, but I'm going to make a video about this little tool. And this tool has a lot to do with trailer safety. And I've had a couple of people pick it up out of my toolbox lately and ask me about it. And this thing doesn't look like much, and it doesn't cost much, and it's available at most well-equipped auto parts stores. So what does it do? It's a trailer brake adjuster, or a drum brake adjuster. And most trailers with electric brakes are not self-adjusting. So you have to take this and from time to time reach under here and tighten your brakes up. Now I've already kind of started the process because it's late and I want to go ahead and get done here. But what you want to do, I've already taken a race car out of the trailer, but you want to jack it up so that you can spin the wheel. Now this is the way I've always been shown to do this. Now let me get under the trailer here. Now I've got two things under here with me. I got this small screwdriver and I've got the brake tool. So what I want to do, see if I can slip by the GoPro here. I believe it's this front one on this side. On my trailer and most of these big boxes, there is a weather plug in the back of the brake drum plate. Now if you get this thing in the right place, the adjuster's just inside there. So if you feel around, you'll hit it. Now of course that was the wrong plug. So I'm gonna pull this plug out. Okay, there's the adjuster. And what you want to do is just move it. Now, see, I can spin the wheel. And what you want to do is tighten this thing up until it just does. Now you can hear it. It's too tight. You want to tighten it up until it just is touching. There we go. And I can probably tweak that a little bit more. So that's dragging a little bit. I don't want it quite that tight. And it's a little aggravating the first time you do it. There we go. So once you get it, you just put the plugs back in. And you move on to the next wheel. Now I noted on this side I had to pull the back one out. So when I go to the front wheel, I know I need to take the back one out. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we're going to do all four wheels that way. Now what this does is keep you from having to turn the gain way up. Now you still got to adjust your brakes and everything on your brake controller. It doesn't alleviate that. But it does make sure that they're working a little better.